Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know if somebody blocked you on TikTok. So the first step is going to be, of course, open the TikTok application on your mobile. And now I am on my profile. And for this work, you need to do have at least two live TikTok accounts, just so you know. So if you do have only one account right now, make sure that you actually can create another account as well, because you will need to use two TikTok for it to work. So what you need to do if you have suspected that somebody has blocked you is to going into your TikTok app and then search for their username on TikTok. So like going into your home page like feed page and then click on the search symbol in the top right corner, like this is the search symbol, and search for the username for that account. And if it does not come up, like I search for this and you can see these results, but if it does not come up for the first account that you search, but you try on this second account and that username does actually come up on the second account, then what you know is that the first account the person blocked you, but they have not blocked you on the second account basically. So as of right now, this is exactly how you can actually know if somebody has blocked you on TikTok. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.